Hello guys, today I am showing the animals. Who didn't see the animals, birds, everything I am showing in this video. Come with me. Let's go. Come on. See, it is all. First, we will start with birds. It is a peacock. I think everyone saw these cocks and hen. It is knob-billed duck. See, it was wrote here. This is a one type of birds and another one. This is a parrot. This is a small parrot. Next, I am going to snake's house. Here is a different types of snake. First one, Indian spectacled cobra. Another one is Russell's viper. Another one is common sand boa. So many snakes are there, I cannot name it. This is a cobra, I think so. So many, their biggest snake, I cannot see it. This. Green snakes, we cannot understand what is this. Plants or this is a chameleon. See, this is a cheetah. Next, we are going to see the deer. See, it is a big deer. Next, we are going to see the tiger. Who didn't see the tiger? Please comment. I thought there is a small tigers. When I am seeing, there was big tigers. Next, we are seeing the lion. It is not seen clearly. Next, we are seeing the squirrel, cats, jungle cats, like that animals we are seeing. Next, we are seeing the hippopotams. Everyone are seeing here only. not getting from their places. Next is crocodiles, and this is a ostrich. It was a big bird. It is trying to eat our penguins. Next we are seeing the monkeys. Who like monkeys? Please like. See this monkey. Everyone are laughing in seeing these monkeys. It is standing for take a photo. Next is the bear. See, it is not seen properly. This half is there. I'll show in the next video, part 2. Please subscribe.